Kathy Warye, Chief Executive Officer of Infection Prevention Partners. I specialize in helping innovative companies in the infection prevention space gain adoption of their technologies. I've been involved in infection prevention for over 15 years now, and as far as surgical site infection is concerned, infection prevention stakeholders, surgeons, OR nurses have done a tremendous amount to reduce SSIs, and progress has been made. But when I look at all the things that have been done around practice change, surgical site reduction bundles, the SCIP program, the SIP program, all the different technologies that have come forward, we've made some progress, but we still have not reduced SSIs to the level that I think we all believe is possible. The one area that we haven't addressed is air contamination in the OR. It's a present problem. There is evidence of the correlation between contaminated air and SSI, and it's one of the few areas that I think is really perhaps the next frontier in the prevention of SSI. As far as the Opergon system in particular is concerned, the company has some early strong evidence that the system alone can reduce surgical site infections, one study indicated, by as much as 60% off of a reasonably low base. So I think that this is a very viable place for us to go next in terms of protecting our patients from the risk of surgical site infections. We need to address the air. In the US in particular, we need more rigorous standards of care. We need to measure air quality because we're not doing that. We really don't know what the level of contamination is. We need a standard that would ensure that ORs are meeting a clean standard of care. We need an air quality standard that would place limits on colony-forming units as it relates to certain types of infection-sensitive surgery, and then we need technologies like Opergon to deliver those results. So I'm very excited about this because, as I said, progress in the reduction of surgical site infections has slowed, in some cases stalled altogether. And I think we've done everything we can do around people and process and those types of measures. So now looking at air and looking at those technologies, I think, is the new frontier and the way for us to go.